Welcome to the Illuminator Getting Started training video series. This one is on the host requirements. So the Illuminator Central site requires the following on the host as far as the hardware, operating system, networking is concerned. First off, the CPU. Calian recommends about 4 to 8 dedicated CPU cores. 4 should be sufficient. The more the better. The cores are in addition to the cores used for the base OS and Docker. Memory, Calian recommends 8 gigabytes of available memory. This is again over and above the memory for your base OS and needs for Docker. Disk space, you should have about 250 gigabytes free. On most modern computers nowadays you can't probably buy anything smaller than that. You're going to need about 500 megabytes for the application to run, and then you'll have some storage space for your measurement results, getting about 2 gigabytes a day, and there's some compression going on. So plan on about 250 gigabytes of storage space. Operating system, Calian requires a modern Linux server distribution such as Ubuntu or Debian. Networking, there will be some networking between the Illuminator carrier monitoring solution, the central site. This is the enterprise solution, so you'll have to have some network access to the remote D3s and D4s through various switches and routers, so you'll have to contact your network administrator to configure that access and get access to those remote devices. As far as software requirements go, once you have all the hardware installed and the OS, you'll have to install Docker and Docker Compose. So the links here are provided to how to get that and download that and install it. You'll also want to make sure that Docker is running as a service inside of your Linux distribution. So you'll want to get that installed, and at boot up you want to check to make sure that Docker is running at boot up. Docker Compose is just an application, so you just have to make sure that's installed. Again, this is something you need to do before you can actually install the Illuminator software, and you'll need again consult your network administrator on this. Thank you for that, and we'll have more on the installation in the installation video, and we'll kind of go over this again. Thank you very much. Bye.